Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust picture settings on your TELEFUNKEN TV. First of all, you're gonna have to press the home button on your remote control to open the navigation dashboard. Navigate down to settings, and in settings you will immediately find the picture tile. Open it and you will immediately get to the picture settings. First setting that we can change on this TV is the mode, which is basically the preset for your TV, and we have various different modes. For example, the sports, dynamic, natural, cinema, and if you have a console connected to your TV, you will also have the game mode here. So generally speaking, the natural and cinema are primarily targeted for your TV to be used in your home environment. The rest, like dynamic, sports, are basically and are mostly for in-store keeping. So yeah, if you're looking for recommendations, I definitely recommend using cinema in your home. And once you have used one of the presets, you can manually adjust things like contrast, moving these sliders to the left or to the right to adjust the values. Contrast, brightness, sharpness, so three main things right on the first screen. Then we also can adjust the colorfulness. As general advice, I don't recommend changing colorfulness unless you want to see some unnatural colors on your screen. Then the energy saving, where we can basically adjust the, let's say, CO2 footprint. So basically, if you want the best performance, disable energy saving mode, and otherwise just set one of these values. Also, if you set energy saving to custom, you'll be able to adjust the backlight on your TV. And in advanced settings, we can also adjust the dynamic contrast, noise reduction, color temperature, picture zoom. Yeah, we can also adjust the color temperature manually by selecting custom and adjusting the white point using this slider. The same with picture zoom. And what else? We have the film mode, which we can either enable, either set to auto or disable. The skin tone feature, which I don't recommend using at all, and the color shift. And if you want to reset your picture settings, just select reset right here, and this will basically get you back to the preset settings for your currently selected mode. And that's how you do it. So thanks so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.